In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google account. This process requires careful consideration and a few important steps. So let's walk through them together. First things first, it's crucial to understand that deleting your Google account is a permanent action that leads to the loss of access to all Google services associated with it. This includes Gmail, YouTube, Google Play, and any other content tied to your account. Thus, before proceeding, it's highly advisable to download a copy of your data. Google provides a service known as Google Takeout, which allows you to export your data from various Google products prior to deletion. Now, let's get started by navigating to the Data and Privacy section of your Google account. You can easily access this page by clicking on your profile picture, then selecting Manage Your Google Account. Once there, look to the left side of the screen and find the Data and Privacy tab. Click on it to proceed. As you scroll down, you'll spot the Your Data and Privacy Options section. Continue scrolling until you reach the More Options area. Here, you'll find a link that says Delete Your Google Account. It's important to take a moment here and double check that you've backed up any important data that you might need later on, as this step will lead us closer to the irreversible deletion of the account. If you're ready, click on Delete Your Google Account. At this point, Google will prompt you to verify your identity. For security purposes, you'll likely need to enter your password one more time to confirm that you are indeed the account holder. Next, you'll see a list of terms and conditions that you need to agree to. This includes acknowledging that you understand the permanent loss of data and access. Ensure that you read these carefully before proceeding. If you're certain you want to move forward, check the boxes to agree to the terms and continue. Finally, to confirm the deletion of your account, Google will present you with a confirmation screen. This step is where you'll affirm your decision to permanently delete the account. After you're absolutely sure, you can go ahead and click on Delete, and there you have it. Your Google account will now be deleted. Remember, this is a permanent action, and recovering the account or any associated data afterward will not be possible. If you followed along, give yourself a pat on the back for completing the process. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more insightful guides.